All right, let's talk about something that is a total game changer for small businesses, the AI phone assistant. We're going to break down exactly how this tech can take something as simple as a missed call and turn it into a real booked job on your calendar.
If you want a service business, this right here, this is the hard truth. You know it, I know it, every single time your phone rings and you can't get to it, that's not just a missed call. That's a potential customer and your money literally going somewhere else.
So let's really chew on that for a second. What is the actual cost of that one missed call? I promise you, it's way more than just that one job. You're losing out on repeat business, a 5-star review, a referral to a neighbor. It all adds up, and it adds up fast.
And look, this isn't just some theory. This is the reality. Just listen to Dan, who owns a flooring and carpet cleaning business. He says it perfectly. He's either on his hands and knees on a job, actually making money, or it's after hours and he's trying to have dinner with his family. The calls just don't stop, but he has to. It's a total catch-22.
So what's the fix here? Well, this is where the AI assistant steps in. But here's the most important part. We're not talking about some generic, clunky robot. The real magic is in the personalization.
And getting this thing up and running is surprisingly simple. First, you just tell it what your business is. Then you tell it your biggest challenges, like, Dan missing calls on the job. And finally, and this part is key, you log all your specific services and details. The AI basically takes a crash course to become an expert on your business.
And here's what that looks like in the real world. The AI doesn't just know the business name. It gets the core challenge, missed calls. And it knows the nitty-gritty of the services, right down to pet stain and odor removal. That's the secret sauce that lets it sound like a pro, not just some program.
Okay, so the AI is all set up, it's personalized, but how does it actually perform when a real customer calls? Let's walk through a demo and see this thing in action.
All right, so the phone rings. It's a potential customer. We'll call him John, and he's got a very specific problem. He needs his carpets cleaned, and he's got pet stains. This isn't just a casual, what do you do call. He has a real need right now.
Now, a generic off-the-shelf bot might get totally confused here. But because this AI was trained specifically on this business, it instantly recognizes carpets and pet stains and knows exactly what to do next.
And just look at that response. It's so good. It's confident. It's specific. That one little line, "We specialize in pet stain and odor removal," instantly builds trust. Then it just pivots right into gathering the essential info. Smooth.
And this is absolutely critical. See, the AI isn't just answering a question, it's acting like a great receptionist. It's getting the name, getting the number, it's turning an anonymous caller into an actual concrete lead in your system.
But of course, customers always have more questions, right? So John throws out a classic curveball. Hey, am I booking the actual job right now, or can I just get a quote? This is a moment that would trip up a lot of basic automated systems.
This right here is the real test. Instead of just giving up and saying, "Please hold for a human," the AI taps into its knowledge base. It knows the company's process for giving estimates, and it's ready to handle the objection directly. And the response is just perfect. It's clear, it's reassuring, it explains exactly what's going to happen. A technician will come out and give a precise quote before any work starts. That kind of transparency is how you build trust and confidence with a new customer. So let's recap. The AI flawlessly handled the initial request and the customer's objection. But what's the actual tangible result here? Well, that phone call just went from being a simple question to a booked appointment on the calendar.
I mean, this side-by-side really says it all. On the left, you've got a missed call. That's zero contact info, lost money, and a lost opportunity. On the right, with the AI, you've got a captured lead, potential revenue locked in, and a qualified estimate booked. The difference is just night and day.
And let's be super clear about what a booked estimate really means. This isn't just a name and number on a sticky note. This is a qualified person who has already committed their time to have you come out. The chances of that turning into a paid job? Sky high. The AI did all the heavy lifting for you.
And just to wrap it all up with a bow, the AI gives this final confirmation. It recaps every single detail. This little step makes sure there are no mix-ups and leaves the customer feeling like they were in really good hands.
Okay, the appointment is booked. We're done, right? Well, not quite. There's one last really crucial step, the seamless handoff from the AI back to a real person. And this is probably the most important thing to get. The AI's job isn't to replace the business owner. Its job is to be the world's best filter.
It answers the basic questions and tees up perfectly qualified pre-booked leads so that an expert, like Dan, can focus on closing the deal and doing the actual work. And that handoff is just as smooth and automated as the rest of it. The AI shoots over a booking link or a confirmation text. It connects the digital conversation to a real-world action, making sure nothing falls through the cracks.
So, when you really get down to it, it all boils down to this one simple question. After seeing how an AI can take a call you would have missed and turn it into a booked appointment, you've got to ask yourself, how many new customers are just sitting there, hiding in your missed call log?